Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make revolcadas de frijol, or another name for it is enfrijoladas. I normally eat them with like a fried egg on the side and then some cremita or salsa on the top. Right now at the moment I have salsa tatemada, so whenever I finish making them I will show you how they look with salsa tatemada and they taste great. And let me show you guys how to do it. It only has 3 simple ingredients. These are the ingredients we'll be using for the enfrijoladas. Half a pound of queso seco, some corn tortillas, and some oil. We're gonna start off by grating our cheese. You can also grate cheese in a food processor, in a blender, but I just like this little, it's a little cheese grater that I have because once you're grating it, all the cheese is falling into this little container. Okay, this is about the amount of cheese that you will need. Finely grated. I'm gonna add my corn tortillas to a bowl that I have here with water so they can get soft and ready for when I put them in the oil and start frying them. Okay, we're gonna turn on the pan and set it to medium heat and add some oil. Okay, now that the oil is hot, I'm gonna put the heat to low. And then I'm gonna grab one tortilla, put it in the oil, and I'm just gonna be moving it constantly and turn it. And what we want is just a soft tortilla. We don't want it fried or hard on the edges. We just want it soft. And then we're transferring it to the plate, and we're gonna keep doing the same for the rest of the tortillas. It's very fast. You just turn it around a couple of times and flip it over. Okay, now that our tortillas are soft, we're gonna add some cheese in the middle. Fold them and setting them to the side on another plate. And then we'll just keep going and do the same for the rest of the tortillas. Just fold it. You can see that this one broke a little bit, but that's okay. Still works out. Más quesito, las doblamos, las ponemos así. Now the next step is to put the beans. These beans, I already had them cooked and I didn't show you guys in the video, but I also have a video where I show you guys how to make beans, frijoles de la olla, but these are refried beans. So it gives it a much better flavor when they're refried. Okay. I love a lot of beans, and then we sprinkle more cheese on top. Keep in mind that you can do as much as you want. And then I'm going to add some crema mexicana. And last, I'm gonna add some of this salsa tatemada that I mentioned earlier, just to top it off. It goes perfect. It also pairs great with salsa verde. Just preference. Okay guys, this is my favorite part. But before I dig in, I'm gonna add a little bit more crema because crema is life. My mouth is already watering, but it's time to enjoy. Great. Honestly, I can eat these every single day. Muy, muy ricas. Definitely a must try. The fact that we soak the tortillas in the water before frying them makes them so much softer. It's messier because the oil is jumping up and down, but way softer. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys try it out. It's very easy and it's perfect for breakfast, like I said earlier. Let me know in the comments if you guys want any other type of recipe, or if you guys enjoy the quick and easy recipes that I've been making. Don't forget to tag me on my social medias if you make any of the recipes that I've shown you. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.